USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. These buttons are for you and they're free. So just go ahead and do that. And then below the video, we have some links. It says swing like a pro. So click on that link, then come to this page right here where you can check out these recent setup and trades, and you can join this program to enter and exit with me. So go and join this program if you are a serious swing trader or you want to be. And then you can always talk to me one-to-one. If you want to speak to me, you can book consultation right here. And you can always join my free Telegram. So go and join it. So, and coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMI. Okay, so you can see weekly we are in the uptrend and we have formed a lower wick, so we should go up. Let's see. I won't tell, nobody knows. Yeah, we are above the EMI in the weekly. Daily what we have, daily we are floating above the EMI slightly, I guess. Yeah, so you see this was your liquidity grab, and then this is again liquidity grab, LG, and then 4 hour we are above the EMI, I guess, below EMI. Okay, so normally I will recommend you not to trade USDJPY. Okay, you can trade Euro USD GP USD, because in dollar pairs there are $6-7 pairs, and out of which you don't have to trade all of them. You only have to trade maybe one or two. Euro USD GP USD is the most traded. So USDJPY, if you want, you can exit. Exit means ignore. Okay, if you want, you can ignore USDJPY and trade Euro USD GP USD. Otherwise, USDJPY is gonna go up. So you can see no new low is formed. This was your previous low, and this is your uptrend, and the rest is secret. I will not tell you. So, by the way, go and check out my Euro USD GP USD video. Normally, I would recommend not to trade USDJPY, but I know what's gonna happen. This is short-term uptrend. Uptrend means short-term up move. Okay, because new low is not formed here. So you see, this is trying to go up, and rest I will not tell you anyway. So either you skip this trade, or weekly is above the EMI, daily is slightly above the EMI. So look for longs, I would say, but that's too much for free. So if you want to enter and exit with me, then join this program, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.